Okay, hi everyone. So today we're gonna solve Leetcode problem number 20, swap nodes and pairs. So the problem statement is we have to swap every two adjacent node and return the original head. And they have specifically mentioned the constraint over here that you cannot initialize a new linked list. Okay, so what exactly they will have to do is depicted in this diagram over here. For example, 1 and 2 are the adjacent nodes, so we'll have to just simply swap that. Okay, similarly for 3 and 4. So this is going to be a simpler problem, I think, and what I'm going to use is called a dummy node logic. Okay, in which what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a dummy node before the actual head of the given linked list. So let's start the problem. And one more thing, like it's going to be a very simple swapping problem which we have done in our elementary schools. Okay, where we used a temporary variable to store the data and swap other two. Okay, so let's start. First thing what I want to check is if we have at least two nodes in our linked list or not. Okay, if not, if not, we're gonna return the head as is. Next thing, as mentioned, I'll be using and I'm creating a new dummy node, which will be pointing to our actual head. So I'm gonna use the provided class, the LinkedIn class. Let's take the value equals 0, and next will be the actual head. Now I'm gonna take one more variable in which I'll be storing the current node at which we are at. Okay, and I'm gonna run through a loop until we have two adjacent values to swap. Okay, so current node dot next and current node dot next to next. So until we have two values, I'm gonna run through this loop. So similar to the swap problems we have seen in elementary school, I'm gonna take the values I want to swap in these two pointers, and then we'll actually just start swapping those. Current node dot. So at the moment, our current node pointer is pointing to the dummy node we have created, and what we are doing is we are taking the next pointer of our dummy node to the second node. Okay, next what we want to do is for this node I want I want this node to point at the third node over here, right, which actually is what next of second, right. Then for this this node, like the second node, I want its next to point at the first node actually. Okay, so this was our complete logic, what you'll have to do. At the last, I'll simply be just updating my current node pointer by 2 because we have processed these two nodes and we want to move ahead to the next part. And at the last, I'm gonna return the head after my dummy node, so it's gonna be like this. So let's check the results. Oh, sorry, it should be not. Type object has no attribute. Next. Okay. Oh, I think we should have used an OR condition over here. Yep. So the test cases got successfully cleared. Let's check the other. Yep. So our solution was pretty efficient, and I think we picked 92% of the submitted solutions. So yeah, thanks a lot, guys, for watching the video, and stay tuned for the next and upcoming videos on LeetCode problems. Thank you.